sounded like my neck, but I assure you it was just the picnic table I'm on. Sitting out here letting my dogs roam the backyard, making sure they haven't escaped. And I don't see them, so... Oh, okay, Paco. Good, he's my known escaper. Mama, what do you want, my child? I left my oldest with my youngest, 17 years apart, and, yeah. Anyways, hope you're having a great day. Like, it's not even noon, and I've done so much today. It's crazy. But, that's the life of me. That's the life of mom. And, if you want to see more, like, comment, subscribe. I'm married, so, like, I don't show my goodies, and I'm not trying to intentionally show my goodies, so eyes up here. I know these pants. Oh my God, who let the dogs out? Me. And I'm going to let them in, so please comment, like, subscribe, share, you know, hit all those buttons. Helps me out, helps you out, because you get to see more of me, so let me let my dogs in. Peace.